Kilagyon ng igpampo ng anak, panimbalan ng Espiritu.
Amen.
Manabe. Manabi. Ela po pareho din. Yung kikatang misyon. Manabe. Managkat. Mangumbira. Manyese. Eta mo obreng manabi. Magpalako. Mimiwas. Ampong mikakawani. Kanitang panahon ng Yesus, hanggang naman ngeni, pota katikang ketong, when you are a leper, atin mo naman protocol, bala mo kayong COVID-19. Kanita, pota katikang ketong, ating kasakit balat, ka pwedeng makiyabe, kaya kang pamilya. Pota miya, wala rin anak mo, may asawa mo. Tandaanan nyo kanita, alapang panulo, kayong ketong. Bawal mo rin makiyabe ka at makatalamitam ka rin kabaryo at komunidad. You have to stay outside the community in isolation. Ala pa po kanitang isolation quarters or places for them. Makakalat lang puro kelwal na ning syudad o kelwal ning balen. At ila pang protocol. Potang lalapit siya kay metong atawe na balong ketungan ka, gulisak ka, a leper, a leper, a leper. Ketungin ko, ketungin ko, ketungin ko. Tinan mo sabihin, kalalapit ka na ako. Do not come nearer. Do not approach me. However, more than the physical illness is the psychological experience of being isolated. Yung masakit po kay ating ketong, itang maplas ka siguro balat, masakit. Malalaso ka katawan. Noon itang makakawani ka kayong pamilya mo. You are isolated from your beloved, from your community. That is most difficult also. At di na pong may COVID kayo. At di na pong may karanas, may ka-close contact kayo. Kaya bati ka mismo dapat makyabe ka rin aliwa. Ngayon mo, tinta ng telepono, tinta ng television, at tintang miyaliwang ways of communicating. We dread the experience of being isolated or being separated. Pota may kakawani ka. But what is most interesting in the gospel? Why this leper approached Jesus? Obviously, make break yung protocol. Siguro, ulinda ka lalapit kang Jesus. May sala sa likod niya, di akakit. Linapit siya kang Jesus, bawal ita. At bigla yung sinakab kiyang harapan ng Jesus, sabihan na, Ginoo, Lord, if you wish, you can make me clean. Dapat Jesus tinulak na Dapat siguro Jesus may mulay iya. For the safety of his friends, siguro dapat Jesus isolated and avoided this man. Siguro tinabi niya, makukakin, miyawa kami. But Jesus did not. Yung mumuna ng gewang Jesus, alay pa sinabi, He already stretched His hand. Alay pa sinabi, inabot na yung kayang kamat. Tela nanay, makiketong, which is another breach of protocol. May dapat tatalnan yung ating ketong. Oy kayo, nung ating kong kilala ng ating COVID, wala lapitan. But Jesus did not avoid, but He reached out. Bayo naman sinabing, I do will it, be made clean. Look at the difference. Sabi na nitang ating ketong, if you wish, I will be made clean. It is a wish. But Jesus did not say, I wish you will be clean. I wish that you will be healed. Buriko, it is my will that you will be healed. Wish is just an expression like, I wish I will be an engineer. I wish I will finish my education. I wish I can help you. I wish I will be a good person. It's only a wish. Pangarap ya mo. Pero sinabi ng Jesus, I do will it. Buriko, I will be an engineer. I will help you. I will do something about it. It is a commitment. It's not only a desire or intention, but it's commitment of doing, giving yourself. Kanyapin mipaldan niya siguro itang ketungin. Malino kay katamo, in kaburianing Diyos, maya. That the will of God is always good. In kaburianing Diyos, panay makakayap kay katamo. What nang kahit isasabi ka na ako, Pader, o ba't dinayanan akong pagsubok ng apong Ginoo? Pader, why did God allow me to be sick? At pebure na ng Ginong nibagsak ko kayong pamag-aral. O kaya may aksidente keng motoring anak ko. O kaya at pebure ng Ginong may pagkasabuk, may kapagsubukan ko. O ba't pepadala na ako sakit ng apong Ginoo? At ako pa. At ati kong problemang makanyan. God never willed that you will be in pain. Nabiryanan ng Diyos sakit ka. Nabiryanan ng Diyos yung marok, malyari kaya ka. Never. Huling man wala tamo yung Diyos, malugod yan. Pagramdaman niya po keti. Ginoo nung buri mo, nung bisa ka mipaldan ko. Ako bisa, buri ko mipaldan ka. It is not my wish, it is my will that you will be healed. Sabihan ko po kaya ka, nakaburyanan ng Diyos, di na nakasakit. Ay, pedala na akong kapag subukan ng apong Ginoo. Ali! Masubuk, at kailangan nakasubukan ng apong Ginoo. Siguro, ikaw mismo, masusubok ka. Nung bisa, nung talagang kento to, sasakit tangan. At tintangan problema. At tindaman dadalana na, nang kaya tamong buri. But do not always blame God for this. Tayo po agad sisisyan ng apong Ginoo. Do you remember Martha? Kanitang meteng kapatid ng Lazaro? Nasa lubong na kang Jesus. Makipaglamay yaro ko Jesus. Uling kaluguran ni Lazaro. Medyo mitalwi amupin, pero mintaya. Nasa lubong ng Marta. Ginoo, nung atsuwa keti, sana meteng kapatid ko. If you were here, my brother would not have died. Kasakit naman kang Jesus. Bala mo sisisyan pang Marta kayong pangamatay ng kapatid mo. Ala kasi yan, ameteya. But Jesus did not respond to that. Ano naman petula ni Marta? Nakibalo mo kayong pangamatay ng kapatid mo, takunan mo. No, He did not. Sabi na mo, where have you placed Him? Antay yung kaluguran ko. If there is one thing that we could let go of this 2022, nung bisa kong metong New Year's resolution, at ko suggest metong, let go of blame. Tabilwan nyo na itang pamagsisi ka rin aliwa. Nang kayo sisisyan tamo rin aliwa kayong problema tamo. O nang kayo sisisyan tayo pa yung apong Ginoo kayong problema tamo. Yung kaburianing Diyos parating mayak. The will of God is always good for you. Sometimes it's not only good, it's the best. Kanyapin po, kingkaya katang ebanghelyo, ikit tamo, mo itang balat tamo, yang uluan ng Diyos, yung katawan tamo. Ita mo namang pilubluban tamo, nang kayo uli ng kasalanan dareng aliwa, pamagkulang dareng aliwa, mikakawani takarela. That we are isolated, not because of physical illness sa makayawa, nune mo naman yung kasalanan kayong milabas. Do not allow that to separate us. Eyo paboren yung kasalanan kayong milabas, pikawan niya nakatamo bilang pamilya, bilang mikakapatid, bilang parokya, bilang komunidad ng Diyos. Leprosy brings you to a solitude of isolation and separation. And the result is loneliness. Bala mo may tabi ka. But Jesus willed the encounter between two solitude. Communion. Manabe. Magintang metong. Tanggapan tayong balang metong. Managkat tamo karang mikakawani. Tama nabi. Nune manabe. Not isolating or separating. Healing of leprosy leads from isolation to grateful integration. From solitude to communion. Iti po yung panalangin tagay kayo. Nung ati ko nga anak emi kaintindi, ati ko pa yung nakanemi sasabi, ko maging instrumento na ning pamikawani, ko maging dala na ning pamisakitan lug. Sana maging tandala ning pamisan metong. Nung kailangan tang magpakumbaba, nung kailangan tang tanggapan, nung ati tang kakulangan, at totoo naman, ta naman perfecto. Tatatabiling balang metong. O iting kaburianin Diyos, that we will be healed from our own isolation and from our own experience of leprosy in our midst. Itamong Katoliko, manabi etamo manabi. In Diyos, tinabit ang leproson. Tinggap inulo uling yang kaburian ito. Iting maya pabalita, ning kiyakatang kaligtasan. Iting pamanagkat, ning kiyakatang ebanghelyo. This is the good news, and this is the invitation, and the challenge of our gospel. Kilagyo na ningig pa ang anak, panimbalan ng Espiritu,